So we make use of the formula Sn equals A into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. At the end of the 5th year, the value of the machinery has been reduced to 40,725 rupees. So the last installment he has paid is 225, whereas the first installment he has paid is 775 rupees. Hello everyone, I am Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. In this session, we will be working out some more problems on geometric progressions. So, a man borrows rupees 8,000 at simple interest at the rate of 2.76%. So, it is divided that the principal and interest are to be repaid in 10 monthly installments. If each installment is double the preceding installment, find the value of the first and the last installment. So, this is a problem on simple interest. So, we have to calculate the simple interest and then find out the first installment and the last installment. So, let us find out the simple interest. So, simple interest will be PTR by 100. So, principal amount is 8,000 into R is 2.76 by 100 into T equals 10 by 12. So, I get the total amount as 184. So, this is the simple interest. Now, the total amount equals 8,184. So, 8184 has to be repaid. Now, what have they given for us in the problem? So, this is 8184 is the total amount to be repaid, that is Sn. Then they have not given us A, but they have given us R. So, R means the installment is double the preceding installment, and they have given N. N equals 10 monthly installment he is repaying. So, we make use of the formula Sn equals A into r to the power of n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So, I will write here 8184 equals A into R is equal to 2. So, 2 to the power of 10 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So, this will be 8184 equals A into 2 to the power 10. So, when I have to multiply 2 10 times, so I get 1024. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, when I multiply 2 10 times, I get the answer as 1024. So, I write it here 1024 minus 1 divided by 1. So, this will be equal to 8184 equals A into 1023. So, A will be 8184 divided by 1023. So, when we simplify this, I get it as 8 rupees. So, A equals 8. Now, we have to find the last installment. So, the last installment will be T10, that is AR to the power 9. So, T10 will be 8 into 2 to the power 9. So, 2 to the power 9 comes up to 512. So, now the 10th installment will be 4096. So, T10 equals 4096. So, in the first installment he has paid 8 rupees, and in the last, that is the 10th installment, he has paid 4096 rupees. So, we have solved this problem. Now, the next problem, a machine is purchased for rupees 50,000. Depreciation is calculated at 5% per annum. for the first 5 years. Depreciation being calculated on diminishing balance value. Find the value of the machine available in the business after a period of 5 years. So, this is a problem on depreciation where the diminishing balance is 5% per annum. In this problem, we will note down what is given here. So, in this problem, A equals 50,000. Then they have given the depreciation amount, that is 5%. So, R equals 5%. Since it is being depreciated, so we get the value as 0.95. So, from 100 you deduct. So, you get 0.95. Then N equals 5 years. So, we are making use of this Tn formula. So, T5 equals AR to the power 4. So, T5 will be 50,000 into 0.95 to the power 4. So, this will be, when you simplify this, we get 50,000 into 0.8145. So, this will be equal to, so 50,000 into 0.8145, it is equal to 40,725. So, this is the answer. So, at the end of the 5th year, the value of the machinery has been reduced to 40,725 rupees. Now, the third problem, the value of the Tiago car depreciated 25% annually. What will be its estimated value at the end of 8 years if its present value is 6 lakhs? Let us see here. So, we will make a note of what is given in the problem. So, they have given us the present value equals rupees 6 lakhs. Now, they have also told us the depreciation is 25%. And we have to find the estimated value at the end of 8 years. Now, so if they are having a depreciation of 25%, that means the value of the car will be 75% of the original value. So, it will write if PV is 100, then value of car is 75. If PV is 1, then the value of the car will be 75 by 100. If you can see here, the PV is 6 lakhs, the depreciation is 25%. So, that means if the PV is 100 now, then the value after 1 year will be 75. So, if the PV is 1, then the value will be 75 by 100. So, if we go by this logic, then the PV is equal to 6 lakhs into 75 by 100. So, this becomes 4,50,000. So, the value of the car after depreciation is 4,50,000. Now for up to 8 years, the depreciation will be in a GP. So, we use the formula next. So, the depreciation of the car in the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8 years will be in a GP with common ratio as 75%. So, every year 25% reducing. So, we get, therefore, the value at the end of 8 years is equal to 4,50,000 50,000 into 0.75 to the power of 7. So this will be equal to 4,50,000 into 0.13348. So this will be equal to 60,067.67 paisa. So the present value of the car is 6 lakhs. The depreciation is 25%. If PV is 100, the value of the car is 75. If PV is 1, the value will be 75 by 100. So PV equals 6 lakhs into 75 by 100. I get 4,50,000. So the depreciation of the car will be reducing every year. So it will be in a GP. So I take the formula as Tn equals AR to the power of n minus 1. So in the 8th year, the value will be 4,50,000 into 0.75 to the power 7. So I get 60,067.67. So this is the answer. Then a man borrows rupees 5,000 and agrees to pay with a total interest of 1,000 in 12 installments each, being less than the preceding by rupees 50. What should be his first and last installment? So the loan, what is the loan borrowed? 5,000. Interest is 1,000. So total amount is 6,000. So he has to repay 6,000. So this we write it as SN. And then what is N here? 12 installments. And what will be D? So this is a problem on arithmetic progression. So the every installment minus 50. He is reducing his installment by 50 rupees. So I use the formula Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula. So Sn I know it is 6,000. N also I know it is 12 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1 into minus 50. So when I simplify this, so I get 6,000 equals 6 into 2a, 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 into minus 50, so minus 550. So this one, when we simplify, so 6,000 equals 12a minus, so 6 into 550, it comes up to 3,300. So 6,000 minus 3,300 equals 12a. So we are getting 6,000 equals 12a minus 3,300. I bring this here. So it becomes 6,000 plus 3,300, that is 9,300 equals 12a. A will be equal to 9,300 divided by 12. So when I divide this, I get 775 rupees. So A equals 775. Now what is the last installment? So A equals 9,300 divided by 12. I get 775. Now I use the formula Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So I want the 12th installment. So T12 equals 775 plus 12 minus 1 into minus 50. So T12 equals 775. So 11 into minus 550. So I get minus 550. So this T12 will be equal to 225 rupees. So the last installment he has paid is 225, whereas the first installment he has paid is 775 rupees. Now, the next problem, a man borrows rupees 9,841 without interest and repays the loan in 9 monthly installments. Each installment beginning with the second being 3 times the preceding one. Find out the amount of the last installment. So, a man has borrowed 9,841. So, the amount he has to repay is 9,841 because there is no interest here. So, he has agreed to repay in 9 monthly installments. So, N equals 9 and R equals 3. So, 9,841, 9 installments, and each preceding installment will be 3 times the preceding one. So, we will use the formula Sn equals A into R to the power of n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So, 9,841 equals A I don't know, so I write it as it is, and R I know. So, this is 3 to the power 9 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. So, this 9841 will be equal to A into, so when we multiply 3 to the power 9, so this will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So, again 81 into 81. So, we get into 3. So, I get the answer as 19,683. So, I will write here 19,683 minus 1 divided by 2. So, when I cross multiply this, so I get 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 19. So, equals, so A will be equal to 19,682 by 19,682, that is equal to 1, or A equals 1. So, he has paid just 1 rupee in his first installment, and in the last installment, so this will be equal to T9 equals AR to the power 8. So, T9 will be, so A is 1 into what is R? 3 to the power 8. So, T9 will be equal to 1 into 6561. So, T9 will be 6561. So, in the last installment, he has paid 6,561. So, when you are getting problems of this, first you find out what is Sn, then what is N, then what is R, apply the formula, substitute the values, then we get the answer as 6,561. So, with this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have all followed it. Thank you.